friends, welcome back to Cutting the Cheese. Can you tell which cheese we're gonna cut? Go ahead and comment below which one of these cheeses you think it's gonna be, and then I'm gonna heart it if you're right. Let's get going. Did you guess it yet? Come on, I know you're close. There's only a few choices. Now, if you guess provolone cheese, baby, you are right. Great job. Okay, so provolone cheese is what we are going to use to make a flour. A cheese flour, that is, of course. All right, first up, you're gonna wanna get a small plastic cup and you're gonna wanna open your provolone cheese. Have yourself a knife ready on deck, and we're gonna cut these bad boys in half. And we're gonna wanna do that with a couple of your cheeses. Honestly, cutting this cheese and making this flour is one of the simplest charcuterie flours you'll ever make. So after I'm done cutting a couple of them, I'm gonna just fold it a little bit and place it inside the cup. So right now, you and I are creating the flower petals. Now you're gonna wanna keep doing this over and over again and have the cheese slightly overlap each other. And as you see, we're creating those petals. Once you feel like your flower petals are complete and the cup looks thick enough to you, we're gonna move on to the next step. So we just finished with our last petal, and now we're going to get into the even better part of this project. We're going to line up this provolone cheese kind of side by side and slightly on top of each other. And then we're going to go from the furthest from us all the way inward, and we're going to roll slowly. By rolling slowly and kind of keeping a firm yet gentle grip on this cheese is how we create that flour. Now granted, this provolone cheese is not always the best when it comes to molding and creating, which is why you want that firm grip. Cheese too hard, it will slightly tear. So these flours are delicate, baby. But anyways, you're gonna want to put that bud in the middle of your flour, and that is how you create this beautiful provolone flour. Now you can stick this beautiful flour on your charcuterie board or stand it alone. Or maybe you're gonna check out our next video and see what I do with the rest of these cheeses. Can you guess which cheese I'm gonna do next? Stay tuned.